Japanese secret to look young and radiant even after your 50s. People have been searching for millennia to find the elixir of youth that will help them look young forever, and no one seems to have found it yet. Moreover, there are various products on the market, advertised to slow down aging, but none of them provides the promised effects. However, the Japanese are quite close. They have a potent and effective natural remedy that gives shocking effects after 1 week. The Japanese women are considered to be always good-looking, young, and beautiful. Yet, the secret of their pure, unique beauty might have been revealed the Japanese rice. This rice is high in a substance known as squalene and linoleic acid, which have strong antioxidant properties and stimulate the collagen production, which fights wrinkles. Squalene protects the skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Moreover, rice is high in gamma-oryzanol, which reduces the cholesterol levels and supports heart health. Also, rice is rich in vitamin E. Scientists have confirmed the beneficial properties of rice, and its ability to rejuvenate the skin in a short time. The following Japanese recipe will help you look young and refreshed fast. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Method of preparation: this recipe can be done easily and quickly. You should cook the rice for 2 minutes, strain it, and then store the water for later use. Add the honey and a tablespoon of hot milk to the rice, and mix all well. Then, wash the face, pat it dry, and apply the mixture as a facial mask. Wait until it dries, and then wash it off with the water in which you cooked the rice. The rice water has potent beneficial properties, as it boosts blood circulation, moisturizes the skin,